The UAG Monarch Pro G10 case for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is a top-tier choice for users who prioritize maximum protection without compromising on style or functionality. Built with G-10 material, a high-strength composite made from layers of glass cloth and epoxy resin, this case offers exceptional durability and chemical resistance. Often used in high-performance tools like knives and firearm grips, G10 ensures the case is both lightweight and incredibly robust, making it ideal for everyday use in demanding environments. One of the standout features of the Monarch Pro is its multi-layer protection system, which includes a G10 armor frame and a premium leather inlay. This combination not only enhances the case's durability, but also adds a touch of sophistication. The sculpted corners and contoured perimeter edge provide reinforced drop protection, ensuring your Galaxy S25 Ultra can withstand drops of up to 25 feet, 7.6 meters. Additionally, the textured grip offers a secure hold, reducing the risk of accidental slips. The case also integrates a powerful built-in magnet module, making it fully compatible with MagSafe accessories and chargers. This feature adds a layer of convenience for users who rely on wireless charging or magnetic mounts. Oversized buttons ensure a tactile and responsive feel, while the lanyard card compatibility, lanyard sold separately, adds an extra layer of security for those on the go. While the UAG Monarch Pro G10 case is on the pricier side, its unparalleled protection, premium materials, and thoughtful design make it a worthwhile investment for anyone looking to safeguard their Galaxy S25 Ultra in style.